If you have a sink and it's been running slowly and seems almost aspirated, like there's a lot of water getting into it, and you want it to run like this, the chances are is you have a screen blockage in your little filter that goes underneath your spout. So the first thing to do is to try to find where the two pieces, or there actually are two separate pieces, and unscrew that filter cap. And so right here you'll see that it's a secondary piece, and in the inside, let's focus here, is a slight screen meshing. Alright, no matter how close I get in here, I don't think you'll be able to easily see the blockages I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and get out a cheap microscope I have, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here's the close-up of the debris that gets into the screen that causes the issues. This is a closer look of how deeply embedded some of these little calcium crystals can get. There's a pin head for scale, and I also use that pin to scratch away at some of the debris. And all you need to do is put your screen into a vinegar bath. This is where what it looks like after 5 minutes. It gets rid of most of the particles, but you actually see some of them slightly dissolve and then fall back behind the screen. Here's a good look at it. Here's some like puffy little debris that gets caught behind the screen. So if you leave it overnight, it will get rid of those as well. And then this is a close-up after a full night, and you can see some of those pin scratch marks that I made as well. Okay, so we're back the next day. This has been soaking in the vinegar overnight, and we're going to go ahead and put it back in and then compare it to the video footage from the previous night. So I just slid that in, red side up, with the threads exposed so I can screw it in. And then we'll give it a see. Here you can see the water comes back to full pressure. I actually tried this after 5 minutes in vinegar, and I got about half the pressure back. This is after a full day. And then here is a slow motion view of the before and after. So if this is happening to you, give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching.